Welcome to this explainer. Your protective styles might look flawless, but what's actually happening underneath? Let's talk about it. You probably think your hair is completely protected, right? Well, your scalp is actually highly vulnerable to hidden dangers. Independent labs actually found severe toxins like lead, formaldehyde, and carcinogens leaching from popular synthetic extensions. Crazy, right? Through heat, sweat, and friction over several weeks, your super-absorbent scalp faces a seriously dangerous cumulative exposure. So here's our golden rule. Never build a beautiful style on a toxic foundation. It's just not worth it. Instead, we're doing a quick 5-step scalp reset at home. Detox, reset, nourish, repair, and refresh. Let's dive in. Step 1 is detox. You're going to mix the mineral cleanse into a smooth yogurt-like paste. Leave it for 15 minutes. Packed with bentonite clay and charcoal, this literally acts like a magnet, pulling deep-seated buildup right out of your follicles. Next up, step 2, reset. Apply a light botanical infusion to calm inflammation and finally stop that persistent itching. Ingredients like green tea and apple cider vinegar work perfectly together to completely restore your scalp's natural pH. Step 3 is nourish. Just massage a few drops of the purifying elixir directly into any dry or tight areas. Powerful botanical heroes like argan oil instantly absorb. They protect your natural moisture shield right before your install. Moving to step 4, repair. Glide the precision serum along fragile edges to combat tension from wigs and braids. This exclusive blend uses pumpkin seed and green coffee bean oils to promote highly visible edge recovery. Finally, step 5, refresh. Mist the cooling peppermint spray and lock it all in with the Velvet Clean Mist. This leaves your scalp smelling effortlessly clean and elevated, completely wrapping up your entire at-home reset ritual. Most people just install over-trapped toxins, but you're creating a pristine, perfectly healthy foundation instead. So, before your next appointment, ask yourself, are you really letting a protective style compromise your long-term health?